everyone. So today, I'm teaching LosAngelesdent28 how to use the potty. So this is a very fun video. So, well, when LosAngelesdent28 like, okay, when LosAngelesdent28 wants to use the potty, she usually comes to me, but she can use it on her own. So, like, Mommy, I need to use the potty, and like, go use the potty, like that. So, let's play. So, anyway, she's almost 4 years old. She's still wearing a diaper. Yeah, I know, she's a toddler. But it's okay because she is not responsible for the potty. So, because if LosAngelesdent28 needs to use the potty, and if she doesn't make it, she'll have an accident in her pants. So that's why she's wearing a diaper, as you can see here. So, LosAngelesdent28, you should let me know. Okay, let's put her in the potty. Okay. Okay, let's change her diaper. Shall we? She's so happy, look at her. Okay. LosAngelesdent28, if you want to use the potty, then you better let me know because you're almost 4 years old. You're not really a baby anymore. You're like turning into a toddler. So, she might go to kindergarten soon, you guys. She's like 3.5 or 3 years old. 1 month until she's 4. So, remember LosAngelesdent28. LosAngelesdent28. If you want to use the potty, you better let me know, okay? Good. And okay. Don't worry. Let's brush your teeth. Let's put her in a bath. Oh. Okay, let's feed her. Okay. Whoa! What just happened? Why is your head like that? Maybe it's like some type of glitch in the game. Okay. So, maybe we should do something like fun or something. Okay, stay time. Let's ride on a pony. Okay, let's grab her. Oh, and her. Okay, let's go back to the house. Okay. Okay, have some fun. We have a weird looking head. So, Mommy, I need potty. Okay. Let's take it to potty. Oh. LosAngelesdent28 Ew, she just farted. Well, I changed her diaper. Looks so funny. With her head like this. So yeah. So I really hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And comment down below if you teach a baby or a toddler how to use the potty. So, please like and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye, guys.